Hello guys, you're welcome to class. And right now it is time to learn common factors of two numbers. In my previous video, I made video on factors of numbers where I said factors are numbers that divide a given number without a remainder. I also said 1 is a factor of any number, meaning 1 can divide through any number, and that every number itself is its factor, that any given number can divide through itself. Now let's look at example. Find the common factors of 18 and 21. The solution. Before you can get the common factors of 18 and 21, you have to look for the factors of 18 and look for factors of 21. Do not forget I said earlier that 1 is a factor of any given number, meaning 1 can divide through any given number. 1 can divide through any given number. This is the given number, that is 18. That is why I have my 1 times 18. I also said that before you could divide through a given number, you have to divide using your numbers. And numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So now that you have tried 1, you go to the next number, which is 2. You try if 2 can divide through 18. If it can divide through without remaining, that means 2 is a factor of 18. But if it divides through and it's remaining, that means 2, it is not a factor of 18. So you go to the next number and so on and so forth. So now let's try if 2 can divide 18. Now here, 2 can divide through 18 without remainder. 2 in 18 give us 9. That means 2 is a factor of 18. So I'll write it in my answer. So after trying number 2, I'll move to the next number, which is 3. I'll try if 3 can divide through 18. Now, here you can see that 3 can divide through 18 without remainder, meaning 3 in 18 will give 6. So therefore, 3 is a factor of 18. 3 times 6. I'll write down. So after trying number 3, I'll go to the next number, which is 4. But here, 4 cannot divide 18 without remaining. So I'm not going to make use of 4. I'll go to the next number, which is 5. As you can see, 5 is not a factor of 18 because it is remaining. So after 5, I'll move to the next number, which is 6. And here you can see that 6 can divide through 18 without remaining. So 6 is a factor of 18. And one thing I want you to note is, once you are dividing and you got to a point where you have to repeat numbers. This is 3 and 6. And we also have 6 and 3. Same thing. 3 has been written, 6 has been written once. So when you got to the stage of repeating the numbers, you have to stop and write out your answer. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now I'll go and look for the factor of 21. For the factors of 21, we use the same method, meaning 1 is a factor of any given number. And here, the given number here is 21. So after I've used my number 1, I'll go to number 2. I'll try it if it can divide through. But here, 2 is not a factor of 21 because it has a remainder. So I'll move to the next number, which is 3. Now here, 3 is a factor of 21 because it can divide through without remainder. So 3 times 7 will give 21. I'll write it down. After 3, I'll move to 4. But here, 4 is not a factor of 21 because it has a remainder. I'll move to the next number, which is 5. 5 is not a number of 5 is not a factor of 21 because it has a remainder. 6 is not a factor of 21 because it has a remainder. Move to the next number. 7 is a factor of 21 because it has no remainder. And as I've earlier said, I said when you're about repeating numbers, you stop. That is 7, 3. And here I've already written 3 and 7. When you're about to repeat numbers, you stop. Or once you are exhausted your numbers 1 to 10, you can stop. That is for a digit or 2 digits. But if you have more than 2 digits, you can extend the numbers to 11, 12, 13, and so on. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. So the common factors of 18 and 21 are 1 and 3. That is the numbers that are common to both numbers. So the common factors are 18 and 21. The common factors of 18 and 21 are 1 and 3. Trust you have learned something new today. Please do well to follow my page, like, share my videos, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.